Hi guys, today we are talking about a Gua Sha and I'm going to show you exactly how to use a Gua Sha for your skin. Now you want to have really clean skin like I've got here. I'm going to apply a little bit of my Fusion by Danielle Collins moisturising serum, which is perfect for Gua Sha, and I'm just going to rub a little bit more of that. I've already got quite a bit on over my skin. Now with Gua Sha, please just remember to work to your own level. If you have any skin conditions, your skin gets aggravated very quickly, you have any medical conditions that you need to get checked out which you think might interfere with the Gua Sha, you're in the first trimester of pregnancy, or you've had Botox or fillers within the last couple of weeks, then you want to avoid Gua Sha and just check with your medical professional before you do it. But as long as your skin doesn't get too aggravated and you've not got any sort of harsh skin conditions going on, and you haven't recently had the Botox or fillers, and you aren't in the first trimester of pregnancy, you are good to go. Now we are going to be using a jade Gua Sha. Now a jade Gua Sha is great for any time of the day. It's really one that helps to lift and sculpt your skin, but you can use any Gua Sha you like. This is stocked on my website faceyogaexpert.com. We've also got the rose quartz Gua Sha, which I would really recommend if you've got slightly more sensitive skin, slightly more mature skin, you want something that's a little bit more soothing, and you prefer to do your Gua Sha in the morning. It's a great morning tool, and it's really known as the love crystal as well, so it really helps with that self-love. And then you've also got the option of the beautiful clear quartz Gua Sha, known as the Master Healer. This is very good if you want to soothe stressed skin, maybe you feel a little stress in your mind, and maybe you prefer using Gua Sha in the evening. So any of these choices are great. Try and get one that is actually a pure crystal and ethically sourced, like the ones on my website shop. Okay, so let's get going. We're going to use the jade one to start off with. Okay, so we're going to start off with some press and hold. We're just going to press and hold gently underneath our eye area. This is really soothing, helps to reduce any puffiness underneath your eyes. You can leave your Gua Sha in the fridge if you really want some extra way to take down any inflammation or puffiness in your skin. I really like just to press and hold on the forehead area as well. It's really nice to press and hold just on one cheek, and then on the other cheek, and then you can also just press and hold on your jaw area. Okay, let's do a little bit of lymphatic drainage. So we're just going to gently come down and wiggle just behind the ears, very gently down. So you want to hold your Gua Sha at a 10 to 45 degree angle all the time, and you just want to take it fairly gently. The word Gua in Gua Sha means to rub, and the word Sha is the redness that comes to your skin when you're doing it. So Gua Sha, and traditionally this has been used in Chinese medicine for many thousands of years. And it's a great tool to lift and sculpt your skin, really work on your overall wellness, help to boost your blood circulation. Very good for helping lymphatic drainage like we are now. So let's just do a wiggle on the collarbone, there and there. Okay, so let's do our jaw area now. So we're going to hold our tool like this. I like to just hold the skin taut here, and then we're just going to go up. So I'm using the opposite hand, working upwards, really helping to sculpt the jaw area. Now you can use this video every day, and I would really recommend using it every day, if not just a few times a week. Get into a good routine of doing your Gua Sha. Okay, we're going to hold, and then we're just going to do the other side, really sculpting that area, releasing tension and working on some really nice acupressure points too. And you might start to see or feel a warmth or a redness there. That's that Sha starting to come out. Okay, let's sculpt our cheeks. So we're holding it at 10 to 45 degree angle again. We're just sculpting across the cheek area, breathing deeply as you do this. And the other side. You may want to hold the skin if you find your skin sort of drags a little bit with this. Can you see that lovely redness coming to the skin now? Okay, let's go just under our eye area. So I like to use this part under the eye area, wiggle in that acupressure point, then come out. So wiggling and across, wiggling and across. Let's do the other side, wiggle and across, wiggle and across. And one more time. Lovely, that's really reducing some of that puffiness underneath your eye area. Okay, we're going to do our forehead now. So we're going to do one half of the forehead, moving outwards. And really, in terms of how many strokes you do, I usually say between 3 and 6. You can do a few more if you like. And you can do this routine a little bit quick if you like, but we just take it nice and slowly. And you can see quite a lot of Sha come up on my skin there. Then we're going to use this part and we're just going to go upwards. And that's really nice for reducing tension in this area, reducing number 11 lines, really boosting your blood circulation. So again, some real Sha there. Now just to say, this doesn't feel painful at all, even though the redness comes up quicker on certain points in the face. It's actually showing that it really needs the Gua Sha in that area. And that redness will go down within a few minutes. So just sculpt along your cheeks again. These are just some of the techniques you can use with Gua Sha. We offer an amazing Gua Sha teacher training course, and I created this course with Katie Brindle, who's the founder of the Hey You method, which is where we stock these beautiful Gua Shas from, and also Katie Blake, who is a Gua Sha specialist. And this qualifies you to be able to teach these beautiful techniques on other people, and you'll be able to learn all of the Gua Sha techniques. So there are warm-ups, there are cool downs, there are acupressure points, there are lifting and sculpting ones. You'll learn lots about traditional Chinese medicine and the meridians and the lymphatic system as well. And then just come to your thymus here and just give it a little wiggle. That's really good just for helping your immune system, helping you to feel really relaxed too. And let's just go through a really quick acupressure sequence, so much quicker than you can usually do. So either use that part or that part, whichever you like. Just wiggle here and here. And when I mean this is much quicker, what you can do is you can spend a lot longer wiggling into it or holding if you like, but we're just going to go through this nice and quickly today. So there and there, you can see that Sha coming up there as well. Here, and here's really nice. Just working on the temples. You can do a little bit more of a massage there or a wiggle, whichever feels good for you. Just here between your eyebrows is lovely as well. And I like coming just underneath the ears and that little acupressure point. You can wiggle or circle, and that will release a lot of jaw tension. And that is it. You are all done. For more information on our Gua Sha teacher training courses, and to get all of the beautiful Gua Shas I've talked about, the rose quartz, the clear quartz and the jade, just head to faceyogaexpert.com. Take care. Bye bye.